This is a used 2009 Lexus GX 470. It's powered by four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include a power sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.